Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore a useful update on Instagram that allows everyone to mention you on PC. This feature can enhance your visibility and engagement on the platform, so let's dive into the steps to enable it. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your profile. Once you're in, look for the More icon located on the left side of your screen. This icon typically resembles three horizontal lines. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with various options. Next, from this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your account. Here, you'll want to navigate to Tags and Mentions. This section contains important settings that control how others can interact with you on Instagram. Under the Who Can Mention You section, you'll see several options. To allow everyone to mention you, simply choose Allow Mentions from Everyone. By doing this, you ensure that any user, whether they follow you or not, can tag your username in their posts, comments, or stories. This can significantly boost your profile's reach as more people will be able to engage with your content. Once you've made this selection, your changes will be saved automatically. Now you're all set. Everyone on Instagram can mention you in their interactions, which can help increase your visibility and foster connections within the community. Remember, while enabling this feature is beneficial for engagement, it's also wise to monitor your mentions for any unwanted interactions. You have the option to restrict or block accounts if necessary. That's it for today's guide. If you found this information helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips on maximizing your Instagram experience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy connecting with everyone on Instagram.